Hey guys, we're doing the noir team draw now. Top spot gets the 5 spots in the 14:15 NT break. It's 9:57:42 p.m. Melbourne time. Pardon me. Dice roll 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Nick Watson gets him. Team draw 5 times. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yoink. Nick Watson, Lakers, Ashley Scott McMahon, Thunder, Van Houten, Wizards, Michael Paul, Rockets, Glenn Jackson, Pelicans and Brews, Heath Chinham, T-Wolves, Marcus Alot, Cavs, David Cutting, Mavericks, Van Houten, Bulls, Thomas Prylak, Sixers, Marcus Alot, Warriors, Ben Francis, Suns, Glenn Jackson, Pacers, Grant McDonald, Spurs, Heath Chinham, Blazers, Nathaniel, Nets, Eugene U, Pistons, Ashley Scott McMahon, Heat, Scott Miller, Nuggets, Andrew Hunt, Jazz, Albie Chin, Horton, Magic, Van Houten, Celtics, Peter Lair, Raptors, Grant McDonald, Bucks, Nathaniel, Knicks, Tucci, Clippers, Glenn McCubbin, Hornets, and John Spence with the Kings. What's it called already? No. Copy that. Random complete.